In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete lead score in HubSpot. If you've been testing different scoring models or you no longer need a particular score, removing it keeps your portal clean and your reports accurate. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and also share a few quick tips to help you avoid surprises. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you already have HubSpot bookmarked, you can use that instead. The goal is simply to get to HubSpot so you can sign in. Next, log into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one, and confirm that your user has permission to edit lead scoring. If your company uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Once you're in, give the page a second to load all navigation items. Now, move your cursor over the left sidebar and find the marketing section. Depending on your account's layout and permissions, the menu wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the area that houses your scoring tool. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full labels. This makes it easier to quickly spot what you need. Click into Lead Scoring. This opens the place where your scoring models or criteria live. You should see the scores or rules you've created. Take a brief moment to confirm you're viewing the correct scoring item so you don't remove the wrong one. If multiple people manage scoring at your company, it can help to double-check the naming convention before deleting anything. Hover your mouse over the specific lead score you want to remove. When you hover, you'll see actions appear for that item. Click Delete. Before you do, consider the impact. Deleting a lead score can affect lists, workflows, and reports that reference it. This action doesn't erase your contacts, but it can change how contacts are segmented or triggered in automation going forward. If you're unsure, pause and verify with your team or take a quick screenshot so you have a record of what you're removing. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm. HubSpot will remove that lead score, and any connected tools that relied on it may update accordingly. Give the page a moment to refresh, and then scan your scoring list to ensure the item is gone. If you rely on dashboards or workflows tied to that score, review them afterward to keep everything aligned. That's it. You've successfully deleted a lead score in HubSpot, safely and cleanly.